Gaming laptops cost a lot. The amount is usually out of reach for many eager users that want to play games on a budget. If you are searching for the best gaming laptops under 40,000, the options might be a little less than your expectations. But that doesn't mean you should give up your hope of finding the best gaming laptops under 40,000 rupees. There will be some compromises when you opt for the best gaming laptops under 40,000, and you have to be prepared for that. As always, you will find the links of all the products in the description down below, and we keep updating the links for the best prices available. So with that being said, the first one in our list is Asus VivoBook 15. Asus VivoBook 15 is an exceptional laptop that offers a great set of components well under the budget. Great build quality and powerful APU makes it one of the best gaming laptops. The laptop adopts a metal chassis with a hint of plastic on the bezels and bottom plate. It is one of the sturdiest laptops in the budget segment, packed with features that are otherwise found on a high-end machine. It has numerous connectivity ports and comes with LED backlit keyboard, fingerprint sensor, and a numeric keypad. It also adopts the ErgoLift hinge technology that provides a better typing position for your wrist. Asus VivoBook features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 16:9 aspect ratio. The pixel density for such a screen size makes it for playing some popular games like Rocket League, CSGO, etc. at low to medium settings with a few tweaks. The laptop comes with an anti-glare display that minimizes reflections coming from it. If you are a fan of thin bezels, the laptop won't disappoint you, as it comes with a 4-sided narrow bezel scheme with bezels as thin as 5.7 mm. Due to this, the laptop comes with a high screen to body ratio of 88% that provides an immersive visual experience. To facilitate gaming performance under budget, the laptop uses a fast-paced AMD Ryzen 5 quad-core processor that can run heavy applications and games. It comes with 8GB DDR4 memory that can be upgraded. The storage has been upped to a modern SSD that comes with 512GB capacity. The laptop uses an AMD Radeon Vega 8 GPU to provide admissible performance at low to medium presets in slightly older games. It runs cool due to the ErgoLift hinge technology that maintains the airflow. The laptop gave me 4.5 hours of battery life before passing out, which is decent considering the power-hungry processor. The best gaming laptop under 40,000 by a renowned brand that won't disappoint you in performance or aesthetics. It incorporates all the high-end Ultrabook features, weighs only 1.7 kilograms, and even has a fairly good full-size keyboard under the budget. Connectivity options are not compromised due to the price, and Wi-Fi 5 is available for fast wireless network connection. So the next one in our list is Lenovo IdeaPad S145. Lenovo IdeaPad is another suitable option for an inquisitive user looking to play a few games in a budget. The laptop features a refreshed design and a powerful integrated graphics processor to emerge as one of the best gaming laptops. The new refreshed design of IdeaPad brings a cylindrical hinge that is more robust to use. I would not compare it with an Ultrabook hinge, but it is stronger than most laptops Lenovo made in the past. The laptop adopts an aluminium chassis with plastic underneath the base. It is lightweight but not as light as compared to the Asus VivoBook mentioned above due to an HDD present inside. The laptop comes with a good selection of ports minus the Ethernet port that can be a trouble for many. Lenovo IdeaPad uses a full HD display panel that lacks vibrance. If you ask me, it is an educate panel, but nowhere to the like of the Asus VivoBook mentioned above that is far better in color production than this one. At full brightness, the things appear a little better, but that drains up a lot of battery. Nevertheless, the 1080 pixels resolution is fit for playing games and productivity work. The display extends to 180 degrees due to the cylindrical hinge design. That is a great plus point to adjust the angle of the display as per your need. The 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor certainly packs a punch when it comes to running modern applications and a few older games like Assassin's Creed, GTA, Rayman Legends, Trackmania, etc. at low to medium settings. It is paired with 8 GB of RAM that is enough for normal gaming and use. There is an option to upgrade the RAM as well as the storage should need arise. The laptop comes with Intel UHD 630 that can run the above mentioned games without any problem. The hard drive is a little slow as compared to an SSD but comes with twice the storage room. I didn't get past the 2.5 hours of battery life in moderate usage conditions. Playing games worsened the battery life and the performance was also unbearable. Lenovo IdeaPad is a great gift for the best gaming laptops. It has a powerful processor comparable with the Ryzen 5 mobile processor and has a large storage option. Its bezel scheme could have been better along with the option of an Ethernet port despite the faster Wi-Fi 5. So next up we have Mi Notebook 14 IC. Mi Notebook gives a tough competition to the most contenders on our list for the best gaming laptops. It offers a fairly premium experience for a modest budget of 40,000 and must be considered while buying a laptop for productivity and lightweight gaming. Mi Notebook is a robust laptop with an all metallic body that is better than most of the plastic counterparts we see in the budget segment. The laptop is thin and weighs just 1.5 kilograms, which adds to the portability factor. The port selection is also good with the only compromise of an Ethernet port. Being a 14-inch laptop, Mi Notebook sheds the number pad and even the backlit keyboard, which is a bad decision. The Mi Notebook 14 uses a 14-inch screen as compared to the 15-inch display in Asus. For the Lenovo IdeaPad laptop, the resolution is capped at 1080 pixels, which is good for gaming and productivity. The display has an 81.2% screen to body ratio that comes with an anti-glare property for an unobstructed viewing experience. The bezel scheme is incredibly slim for 3 slides with a noticeable chin. The display has an 81.2% screen to body ratio that comes with anti-glare property for an unobstructed viewing experience. The bezel scheme is incredibly slim for 3 sides with a noticeable chin. As expected, the Intel Core i5 processor, which is the latest 10th generation one, performs like a fine-tuned 4-core processor. It handles applications and memory usage well and comes with an 8 GB RAM module. By default, you get the option of integrated graphics from Intel, the Intel UHD 620 in this case. It won't run newer titles but is powerful enough for CSGO, PUBG Lite and older games. It uses a SATA 3 SSD, which is fast but not as fast as the NVMe one. Moderate battery life that can go up to 5 hours if you are a casual user. It fails to hit the 10-hour mark as mentioned by the brand. Mi Notebook 14 is a great value for money option that makes it a good choice for the best gaming laptop. There are few bearable compromises like the non-backlit keyboard, a smaller display dearth of an Ethernet port. If you can live without these limitations, the Mi Notebook 14 is a perfect option for you. So the last one in our list is Acer Aspire 3. Acer Aspire 3 lands in this spot only because of its slightly higher price to performance ratio. You cannot expect metal chassis from Acer at this price point, and the Acer Aspire 3 comes with plastic all over the place. It is heavy too and sits at a weight of almost 2 kilograms. The design reminds me of a flattened earlier generating laptop, and this one could take inspiration from the Lenovo IdeaPad series. The full-size keyboard is LED backlit and the trackpad is aligned on the left. It comes with an Ethernet port along with the rest of the useful ones, and that is a plus point. Acer Aspire 3 uses a 1080 pixel LED panel with average color gamut and accuracy. It is not the brightest out there, but with comfy view technology, the output is admissible in videos and games. The laptop adopts a slim bezel display, which is great considering the overall bleak appearance of the laptop. The laptop manages any workload with ease owing to the Intel i5 processor present inside it. The heat dissipation bugged me a little bit as there are no side vents on the laptop, gets warms on the upper area of the keyboard. Gaming is possible due to the 8 GB RAM and Intel UHD graphics processor that enables allows you to run titles like GTA 5 on low settings. It lacks SSD storage but can be upgraded if you wish to. The 1TB HDD acts as a primary storage in this laptop. The laptop manages to last up to 3 hours before requiring a recharge on moderate usage. A powerful laptop that has a slightly higher price and a bleak and flimsy chassis. The all plastic body is quite a turn off, and the cluttered arrow keys make it difficult to navigate. I could speak a bit about heat management, as it is not so great and ends up raising the temperature by quite a bit. So guys, these were the best gaming laptops under 40,000 rupees which you should try. So which one you are going to buy, please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more videos on the latest gadgets, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.